With products from DCI, you can create unique and dynamic surfaces without losing the flexibility and durability of concrete. DCI adds functional design and architectural beauty to any hardscape project, with both interior and exterior applications. Why settle for plain concrete when you can create surfaces such as tile, brick, or marble? Create an intricate stone pattern for your courtyard, or a patterned tile path for your garden. The possibilities are endless. Let's take a look at how it's done. Concrete is placed in the usual manner, floated and edged. The borders are laid out and installed. For this design, a decorative corner pattern is trimmed and placed. The field pattern is then placed, floated, and trimmed. Another option for applying the stencil to the slab is the DCI stencil roller. The second row of stencil is then aligned and placed, and the process repeated until the pattern is complete. Next, color hardener is cast over the entire surface according to the manufacturer's specifications. It's then edged, floated, and finished. Next, release agent is cast over the surface, once again to the manufacturer's specification. Texture rollers are used to create unique and varied textures, which adds visual appeal and creates a skid-resistant surface. The concrete is allowed to harden and the stencil removed. We'll show you how to clean and finish your concrete in just a moment. DCI manufactures all stencils domestically, and there are many patterns to choose from. Each stencil has been designed with an overlapping, repeating pattern, much like wallpaper, for a seamless concrete design. You might notice we keep using the word concrete. That's because even though it may look like delicate tile, you can use DCI products anywhere you would normally use concrete, whether it's by the pool, or the patio, or the driveway. You can create beautiful, yet functional surfaces without losing the flexibility and durability of concrete. Let's take another look at the process. Concrete is placed in the usual manner, floated and edged. Stencils may be trimmed according to the design specifications. Borders are laid out and installed. The field pattern is then placed, floated, and trimmed. Again, you may apply the stencil to the slab with the DCI stencil roller. Next, color hardener is cast over the surface according to the manufacturer's specifications. It's then edged, floated, and finished. Release agent is then cast over the entire surface, once again to the manufacturer's specifications. Texture rollers are used to create unique and varied textures, which adds visual appeal and creates a skid-resistant surface. The concrete is allowed to harden and the stencil removed. The excess release agent is then rinsed off, and the slab is cut to ACI standards. Your concrete is now ready for final cleaning with a light muriatic acid solution. Sprinkled over the dampened surface, scrubbed with a stiff brush, and another rinse and dry. 2 coats of sealer are applied to protect the surface and to enhance the color. Your concrete is now ready for years of enjoyment. Another product available from DCI is our acid stain, which transforms ordinary concrete into a bold, exciting, natural look, unique to each application. And it's still concrete, durable, and beautiful. By combining custom cut stencil with the beauty of acid stain, you can create patterns and shapes to simply decorate or dazzle. DCI stencils can be used with the many available overlayment products. Utilizing the same pattern stencils, you can add life to an otherwise dull slab, transforming existing concrete into something extraordinary. DCI offers seminars for hands-on training with expert craftsmen, from simple tips and tricks to in-depth classes. In addition to the pattern stencils, acid stain, and overlayment applications, DCI offers custom cut stencils, which can be used in all applications. Used with sandblasting techniques, you can create a beautiful and striking design, or even lettering and logos. With DCI products, the only limitation is your imagination. For more information, call toll-free 866-332-7383 or visit us on the web at www.decorative.com.